I'm gonna be really quick, mostly from the technology part and how actually I came into this idea. I'm an investor myself, so I invest into a lot of crypto startups in an early funding, in a seed, in a private rounds. Back in 2021, I invested a lot as well, especially through Launchpads, IDOs. Maybe there's also ICOs, but they're all in the sense they're all the same thing. They're just launching projects at early stages, and I came into conclusion where the barrier for entrance were very high. It was like 300,000 for one person. Imagine at the end of the bull run, you putting like 300,000 in risking. It's a lot of risk. And I started investing with my friends. We collectively put money into Gnosis Safe wallet so everybody can sign to initiate one transaction. But this way was a little not efficient, but I already got the idea why not to programmatically make it trustless through smart contracts. So everyone can have access into Launchpads. Even some John Doe can have access with $10. He can enter into Launchpad. Because right now it's not the case. It's a lottery tickets. It's very complicated. KYC process. This is very complicated. And a lot of Launchpads, a lot of blockchains, people get really confused. That's why we came up with the idea. I teamed up with Den, Igor, and we came up with this idea of the DragonPad AI, where we start with trustless way of investing in through the Launchpads by becoming aggregator of Launchpads. So this idea of aggregation already worked with with DEX, 1inch. They also aggregate and get the best quote. And we're going to be doing the same thing. So this is what I was talking about. There's a lot of problems. If you go back one screen back, there's a lot of problems like the following because of a lot of difficult technical stuff in Web3, because Web3 is not simplified for regular Web2 users that just onboarding. So we have to simplify the process. That's the aggregation of the Launchpads. So we're going to be starting with the GameFi Selenium or on Solana network. GameFi is a multi-chain Launchpad. And we're going to be starting from these two, and we're going to be keep adding more pools. And if you go to the next screen, also we're going to be using our Dragon token as a DAO, as a governance. So we're going to be community driven. And the later stages, we're going to be adding AI to basically simplify the Web3 journey. So the idea is the NFT dragons, AIs, will be distributed to each of the holders that we're going to have our criteria with. And after that, we're going to basically decentralize the AI within DragonPad. So each AI will be individual to each person. So that's the most latest idea of the Q4. We're not there yet, so we're going plan by plan. So that's the from technology part. Then you can finish the 2 minutes.
So in sphere of marketing, we are planning to attract a lot of influencers and a lot of project builders, because we will provide not only aggregator of Launchpads where investors can invest with community pools, but also we will provide the tool for developers and product founders. They can create a token on our website, they can create liquidity pool, they can burn liquidity pool tokens, they can launch their tokens to be live, and also they can attract new users, get traction in social media. We will help them with boosting their communities, with Telegram advertisement, and etc. etc. So it's working with both sides. From one side, we have investors who will have opportunity to participate in different Launchpads all around the internet. They don't need to go, to DEX Screener, to different other Launchpads and to participate with their conditions. They can all do invest from our platform. And our AI will help them to do more sophisticated decisions and based on their investment history and strategy. And from the other side, we will have another part of users. It's project builders who will have opportunity to launch their tokens on our platform. For the last few months, we all know the hype around meme coins and meme tokens, and even big VC started to look at this industry. So we are planning also to attract like a lot of meme token producers, creators, and their audience. I think that's all, and we also like have finished our time.